Hey everyone! Want to make your website more dynamic and engaging? Let's learn how to add interactive animation to your Gutenberg site using Essential Blocks. Let's get started. Make sure you have installed and activated Essential Blocks and Essential Block Pro on your website to use Essential Blocks interactive animation. Now, open a page or post in the Gutenberg editor. Then, select the block where you want to add interactive animation effects. Go to the Advanced tab and click on Interactive Animation. Toggle the button to enable interactive animation to your block. In the animation type setting, click the drop-down to select an option to control your content's animation paths. Then, in the From Control settings, select Transform Effect. Edit the effect's movement, opacity, delay, duration and more as you need. Next, adjust the animation color, skew effect and scaling option as needed under From Controls. Now, similarly, in the To Control setting, adjust Transform Effects movement, opacity, duration and others as needed. Next, toggle the button to enable the scroll trigger effect. Click on the edit icon to set the scroll start point and scroll end point values. You can also toggle the button to enable marker to show where the animation starts and ends. In Toggle Actions, set the actions you prefer. Also, adjust the animation settings as needed. Once done with all the adjustments, hit the Save button to implement your animation effects. Let's have a preview of the interactive animation we have just added to the web page using Essential Blocks. This is how easily you can add interactive animations to your websites with Essential Blocks. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more videos like this one.